Hey, what's up, my 2A fam? It's your girl here, back again with a unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing the GForce Arms. That's what it is. I'm unboxing it right now. Why you guys? Pew! Shotgun. Yes. GForce Arms pump action shotgun. Okay, here it is. It's not fully assembled, so I have to do that. It comes with this nice stock. You can put your shells through there. It would hold up to 5. It has also a grip, nice grip on it. Yeah, I like that. And let's see what else is in here. I think the bear is in here somewhere over the rainbow. These also are some items that's supposed to be in here. I'm going to try to put it together myself, and if I can't, okay, here's the barrel. I would have to take it to a gunsmith. Let's see how this goes. Like this. Goes in like that. Okay. Take this loose. Look, I'm going off my own understanding. I always do that. If I run into something where I don't understand, I will Google it. Let's see. The firing pin, I guess that's what they call this. I don't know. We're going to put this in here. Like so. It's like a puzzle, you see? Look, I can get it off now. But anyway, it fits right in here. So I'm going to slide this and see how it goes. See if I can slide it. Well, let's do it this way. That part wouldn't let me slide it in. Okay, it's in. So yeah, let me screw this on. See if this is going to help. I don't know. We're going. I think I have it. I think I may have it. There it is. Damn, walls on my ceiling. Okay, let me tie this together. Okay, just like that. Okay. Let's see. Okay. It's working. Your girl done fixed the shotgun together. Can't tell me I can't do nothing. It's locked down. But yes, guys, sorry for the delay. I had to figure this shit out. Then, on top of that, I had a waltz on my ceiling. Oh, MG. But anyway, yeah. This is the GForce pump action shotgun. It's easy to put together. It's not hard. So, yeah. So, we're going to take this to the range and compare it against my other two shotguns. And we're going to see what I think about them. Yep. Till next time. Peace. Thank you for tuning in. Oh, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace. This is the GForce Arms 12 gauge.